Hello, this is Miguel Arcon, engineering intern here at Saratech, and welcome to another episode of our Tips and Tricks tutorial series. Today, we'll be looking at using the analysis set manager inside of Femap. This manager feature allows a user to store different analysis input data within your given model. This allows you to save time by not having to complete numerous dialog boxes whenever you want to edit your model and create a new analysis. Now onto the exercise to demonstrate its capabilities. For this exercise, we'll use the Analysis Manager to store three different analyses: an unconstrained modal analysis, constrained modal analysis, and a static analysis. First, we go over to the Model Info panel and right-click on Analysis, then click Manage. This will open up Femap's Analysis Set Manager, and as you can see, we currently have no analysis defined. So let's go ahead and change that by selecting New, and then titling it Unconstrained Modal. From this pop-up, you can select different analysis programs and different analysis types. For this exercise, we'll use the default 36 NX Nastran. And for the analysis type, we'll go ahead and select two normal modes / eigenvalues, then select OK. Now that we've created the first analysis set, we'll go ahead and change the boundary conditions for the unconstrained modal analysis. To do this, we'll start by expanding master request and conditions. Then we go to boundary conditions, and then we double click the constraints. We want to change this pin constraint to none. Then click OK. Before we analyze the model, we must first confirm that the Results tab in the Preferences has the study title set to default and the output set title set to standard. This will make sure that each result is labeled with the mode and frequency. To do this, you can simply use Ctrl-Shift-P. As you can see, the study titles are set to default and the output set titles are set to standard. So now we're good to analyze the model. To analyze the analysis set you created, you simply right-click the set and select Analyze. Or if you're still in the Analysis Set Manager menu, select your analysis set and then click the Analyze button. This will open up the Analysis Monitor on your left-hand side. If the run is successful, the result set will automatically import. If the run is not successful, a warning message will appear. In our case, it was successful. Now to see the results, we go over to the Model Info panel, and we select Results, All Results, and here we have 10 sets. Now let's go ahead and create a second analysis set, but this time a constrained modal analysis following the same steps as before. This time, for the boundary conditions, we want to leave the constraints as pinned. Now that we created our second constrained model, we won't analyze it just yet. We'll create a third one so that we can then use the Analyze Multiple button. Again, following the same steps as before, we'll title this one Static Analysis. Now before moving on, we want to make sure that our analysis type is the preferred one that we want to do. Now let's check if our boundary conditions make sense. And it seems like they do for this one. Unlike normal mode analysis, load sets are required for static analysis. Now let's analyze both of the new sets we created by using the Analyze Multiple button. After it's done running its course, we'll have 21 result sets in total. This concludes this exercise. If you have any questions about anything covered in this tutorial, please be sure to ask your questions in the comments section down below. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to see more tips and tricks tutorials like this one.
Thanks for checking out our channel. If you like what you saw, make sure to like and subscribe down below so you don't miss out on any new videos. Follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter for the latest engineering news and information. And to see all of our upcoming events, please visit our website at saratech.com/events.